Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a phone that's not just a spec monster, but a cinematic experience in your pocket. Yes, I'm talking about the Sony Xperia 1 Mark VII, Sony's boldest flagship yet. And this time, Sony isn't just chasing trends, they're setting them. First up, that iconic 21:9 4K OLED display is back, but now it's even better. We're looking at a 6.5-inch 4K HDR OLED panel, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and over 1 billion colors. This is still the only phone in the world with a true native 4K screen. Whether you're watching movies or color grading video on the go, nothing else even comes close. The phone feels premium, sleek aluminum frame, Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both sides, and an overall design that says professional. Under the hood, the Xperia 1 VII is rocking the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, paired with 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage. Sony also added a vapor chamber cooling system for better thermal performance during extended gaming or 4K video recording. And yes, it's still got a micro SD card slot and a headphone jack. Sony heard us loud and clear, don't remove the essentials. Now, let's talk about what Sony really flexes on: cameras. This year, the Xperia 1 VII features a triple 48 megapixels camera system, co-engineered with Sony Alpha. That includes a wide lens with a 1/1.3-inch sensor, an ultra-wide with real-time HDR support, and an improved periscope telephoto lens with optical zoom ranging from 85mm to 170mm. All lenses support 4K 120fps HDR video, eye autofocus for humans and animals, and now, even real-time object tracking in video. Oh, and they added log shooting plus loot previews, directly on the default camera app. Alpha shooters, this one's for you. You're getting a 5000 mAh battery, with 30W wired fast charging, 15W wireless, and reverse wireless charging finally added this year. Sony says it'll retain up to 80% battery health after 3 years, thanks to smart charging tech. No battery bloating nightmares here. The Xperia 1 VII will launch globally starting August 2025, priced around $1,399 in the US. Yeah, it's expensive, but this phone isn't trying to be for everyone. It's built for creators, pros, and Sony diehards. The Xperia 1 VII might not be your everyday iPhone or Galaxy, but it's one of the most refined and purpose-built phones of 2025. If you're hyped for Sony's creator-centric flagship, smash that like button. Subscribe if you want to see how this stacks up against the iPhone 17 Pro Max and the Pixel 10 Pro XL. Comparisons coming soon.